Hey, what's up, are you happy people? This is Steve with Captain Chefs. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I just couldn't resist temptation of squid fishing, so I came to New Jersey again. I'm gonna fishing with Yuan today, so we're going to try to catch some more squid. Today is a good day, and hopefully we have a better result. Yuan, you want to say something to my viewer? Say something to my viewer?
Hey, happy fishing, happy living.
That's good. Yes, Yuan love squid, so we definitely enjoy this. Here we are at the fishing ground. More than 70 boats are fishing here. Yeah, here it is. Okay, can do it there. Everyone, huh? Okay. Okay, I can live with that. I can do that. Huh? Keep going. Keep going. Huh? Look at that. That's squid. Smaller is fish. Step aside.
Yeah.
Come on, you need action in your life. Oh shit! Sorry. It was just... Oh man. Yo, I'm so sorry.
That's all right. Good job.
Huh?
Good job.
Catching it. Okay. Oh man. Is that good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Be careful. Those are good ink. You need to try that. I don't think one's great.
For 5 minutes, can you try mine? Yours.
Hold on. Let me drop this. Otherwise, hold on. Let's see.
I will see. A small one, so tiny. Look at that, tiny. It was big. Look at that. Wow,
That's a
huge.
heavy one. Look at that. You need to take me a picture on this. And that's going to be on my video. Look at that, huge.
It's a good one.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
All right, man. I think squid has been leaving New Jersey area, heading to the north. This time, I only caught 15 of the squid. Today, I'm going to use this squid to make nigiri sushi, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. It is very easy to clean squid. First, open the belly and remove the head along with the guts. Remove the internal shell. Finally, peel off the skin. Trim off a proper size of mantle for nigiri sushi. Slice cut the mantle, but make sure not cut through. Cross cut the mantle at 45-degree angle. Again, make sure not cut through. Pour hot water on the squid and immediately immerse in ice water. If your rice cooker has built-in program for sushi, that makes life a lot easier. When the rice is done, take some to a bowl. Season the rice with rice vinegar. Nigiri is the most easy sushi to make. Simply make the rice ball, add a little bit of wasabi on the squid, and put the rice ball and wasabi together. Decorate the plate with seaweed salad and pickled ginger. Finally, add some masago to finish up the masterpiece. This is the squid nigiri sushi I'm talking about. It's so simple to make. If I can do it, you can do it as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me and will help this channel to grow. Thanks for watching. Until next time. You take care.